Number 5. MakerBot Replicator. Engineered and extensively tested for reliable, faster, portable 3D printing. Big performance in a small footprint. An intelligent 3D printing workflow. Quick start wireless setup. Faster print times and larger build volume. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Official Creality Ender. Anyone can freely check source code to verify authenticity. Next generation technology. High-powered, safe power supply. Partially assembled kit. Freedom, flexibility, and customizability. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Lulzbot TOS 6. Self-leveling, self-cleaning, tetherless printing. An integrated power supply make powerful 3D printing easy. Advanced options for expert users. Free software with no limit on installations. Compatible with STL, OBJ, X3D, and 3MF files. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. QID iTech X12. Applicable to families' schools. Out of the box only simple operate to printing. QIDI technology single extruder greatly reduce the risk of extruder clogged. Metal frame heated bed support printing with ABS PLA TPU filament. 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons makes for easy operation. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. FlashForge 3D Printer. A sturdy metal frame. Aviation-level aluminum plate with a thickness of 6.3 mm guarantee. Metal platform support plus 10 mm guide rod ensure a precise Z-axis movement. Enclosed chamber insulates and protects ABS prints. Filament diameter, 1.75 mm. Please check the description for details and best price.